How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel. And today's video is going to be Christmas card shout outs and a unboxing. And it's going to be the vintage Johan Cadillac. It's a 1931 Cadillac. And then before we get this started, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. This little channel, this little redneck will never ask you for nothing, guys. I don't need support. Don't need to grow. Guys, all I need is you to support everybody in this wonderful community. Anytime I mention somebody, the link will be in the description below my video. Just go down there, pop it up, go to their channel, sub, like, share, subscribe, you know the whole 9 yards. Do that. That's all I ever ask for, guys. That's it. I mean, we got a wonderful community. This model community on YouTube is the best. And it's not just the model community. It's the RC, the Hot Wheels, the diecast, the Dinky, model railroading. I mean, your military models, your figure painters, the gaming. I mean, it's just all kinds, and there's something on YouTube for you. I'm sure there's a community you'll fit into just fine. All right, so with that being said, ho, 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 ho. Yeah, I'm looking like Santa Claus more and more these days. The older and fatter I get, the more I look like Santa Claus. I figured I'd wear this red flannel, be a little festive. All right, first Christmas card. Let's go over here. Got this one right here. Let you see that. This right here is from Mark, the mediocre modeler. It's from him and his lovely wife, Lisa, and Ziggy. There's old Ziggy right there. Sticker. I'm going to put that over here on the board here in a few minutes with the other one. Thank you, Mark. Thank you for the kind words, brother. And keep that snow up there, bro. Keep that snow up there. We don't need that here in Arkansas. Thank you very much, brother. I appreciate it. Merry Christmas. And I'll put that on the my little cabinet over here. I've been taping them up over there. And I'm going to put this decal over here, the sticker for my sticker board. I'm going to set that in right there. His link will be in the description below. Mark at the mediocre modeler. All right. The second one I got, I'm going to bring this over to you. Beautiful card too. Look at that. Beautiful scenery. And this is from John at the Mighty JJK. Let me tell you, I just watched a video from him, man. He was so excited. He had got a 3D printed Chevy Caprice kit, like 1970 Caprice kit. Oh my God, that dude's over the moon. He's tickled to death. He's building a series of cars, of what he grew up with, cars he used to own or family members used to own and stuff. And, that's not all he's doing. The guy is a heck of a ship and planes, jet. He can build it all. But the main thing that I think he really does good is his motorcycles. He's gotten hooked on motorcycles and all different scales. Go check him out. And he's building a Charger right now, and the Caprice I think will come up next. So go check out old John right there. Description will be below. And I'll have him hung up over here in a minute. And then the third one I got in, this is an awesome card too right here. That's my buddy Skip and Earl sent this to me. And that's from Skip-O-Matic's Model Mania. Old Skip. I think he's down there in Florida with old Tom down there. Thank you very much, Skip. Appreciate it. Appreciate it very much. Love the card. And look at this. Rat Fink style. Look at that. That is just, that's too awesome. Hot Rod. All right. That one will go up too. Merry Christmas to all y'all. And then the last one I got in is everybody knows this guy. If you don't know this guy, you're living under a rock. He's the glue that holds this community together. Bam! That's old Tom, Mr. Rambler 69. Yes, sir. And there's his QR code. Let me get my little fat fingers out of the way. Y'all scan that. Of course, he'll be in the description below. If you don't know who Tom is, get over there, like, share, subscribe to all these guys. But he sent me another shop card. Appreciate it, Tom. I think that's his newest shop card. I got several of them from him. And let's check this out. Look at that awesome Christmas card he sent out. Yeah. He loves his hot rods. And check that out. That is so sweet. Thank you, Tom. Love you, brother. Merry Christmas to you, too. And that one will get hung up, too. Thank you very much. This will go with my shop cards. All right. Like I said, I'm going to unbox this kit. It's the Johan 1931 Cadillac steel sealed. Old Dutch from Assembly Required sent me this, and I have not heard from him. I've texted him. I haven't heard anything. Texted him here a while back. If y'all's heard anything from him, tell me. I'd like to know what's going on. I know he's not been doing too good. Prayers for him, guys. He sent this to me out of the goodness of his heart. He sent a lot of people in the community models. And, all right, so we're going to unbox this for him. Thank you very much, and I hope you're having a Merry Christmas, Dutch. I'm going to shut my mouth, and we're just going to unbox that thing. If you're smart, stick around to the end of this video. Something's coming up. If I can shut this thing off. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Bloopers already, guys. Look at that. Nope. Well, what do we have here? We have some beautiful vintage steel sealed Johan, my favorite, absolute favorite model company. Everything they do, I loved. Everything they did, I'm sorry. Not really around no more. I mean, you got people that own, but they don't got the old molds and stuff. They're not putting nothing out really. Few things here and there they might have left over, but I just don't see this company ever coming back, guys. Not the way it used to be anyway. If you got these, hold on to them, guys. And if you don't want to hold on to them, just send them to me. All right, but beside the point, guys. Let's open this thing, and I'm not for sure the year on this. Like I said, there's no barcode on it, so it's pre-80. So yeah, let's check her out and open it up. Be the first one to smell this vintage air in it. Yeah, let's see what we're gonna do. Let's just cut the, oh, collectors are dying right now. Oh my God, look, oh no, what the heck? Oh, you murderer, you just murdered that kid. Whatever, it's my kid. Do what I want. Let's open this thing up. Let's see. Oh, I bet this thing's gonna be molded in green. Let's see. Boom. No, I was wrong. Blue. Oh my God. Boy, I'd have lost that bet. I would have lost that bet. Let's check this thing out here. We're going to start with the destructions. There is your engine. Big old beautiful Cadillac engine. There's your rear suspension. There's some of your front suspension. Here is your chassis. Your suspension, your engine placement. Yeah. Very nice, very nice. Here is step number 5. Showing to put your fenders on, pedals, grill. You go down here and it's final assembly, number 6. And yeah, you just put everything together. You just put it all together, guys. That's how you do it. All right. Let's fold that up. Let's move that out the way. Let's check these parts out. Oh, and look how they got it stacked in here. It'll probably never get stacked in there again. Like that. Let's just move that out of the way and show you what we got going on. I guess we could start with the chrome tree since it's right here. It is nice and bright and shiny and brisk. Look at that. There's the other side of it. Boy, look at that grill. Put a little black wash in that bad boy. Oh, yeah. Very, very, very nice. This one right here would be a good one for Adam at Sodak's Naked and Afraid model build. I say Naked and Afraid because I'll assemble it naked and I'll probably be afraid. But his Naked Models group build. Here is the white walls, and one of them's off right here. Boom. Must have been rattled off there, guys. Let's see what else we got here. We got some more blue parts. I would have guessed that was going to be molded in green, but you never know with Johan. That just goes to show you. There are the wheels. Look at there. Oh, yeah. Like I said, I'm never getting this back in here. Never, ever. There's the chassis and some of the interior stuff. Looks like we got the rear end. Yeah, the tank. We got hubs. We got a top boot. We got manifolds. You got the exhaust, the steering wheel. Let's see what this one is. This one here is your top up. Trans. Look like your cylinders. Rumble seat for the back. Not for sure what that stuff is without looking. Might be suspension or steering or something. I don't know. Let's check this out here. Yeah, guys, 100%. I won't get that back in there the way it's supposed to go. There's part of your engine block. There's your front seat. There's the front suspension stuff. It's got a little bit of flash here and there, but hey, you know, ain't nothing wrong with a little flash. Let's see here. Got some clear parts right here. Oh, my camera. There's the clear parts. Let's throw them up out of the way. You got tires here. You got 4 rubber tires. And then you got a couple of plastic spare tires that go on the side. Let's see. You got the last tree. And there's those plastic spare tires. There's your fenders. Yeah, there's the mounts for the tires. There's your radiator. And hubs. Yeah, stuff like that. And then you got your hood. And you put all the little louver things in there, the chrome. They'll be chrome. It's a good looking little piece there. And here's your deck lid. And here's your body. Look how crisp. It's really, really good and crisp. Look at that. You got where your golf clubs will go. That little opening right there. Man, that is such a cool kit. Dutch, I can't thank you enough, brother. I appreciate you. Love you, man. Man, I hope everything gets to going better with you, brother. I haven't heard from you. Yeah, you ain't made a video in a while. Guys, I'll never get this stuff back in here, so I'm just going to go throw it all in here, and I will deal with that later. And then I'm going to show you something else. Oh, there's a tire. Very cool kit, guys. Very cool kit. Thank you, Dutch. Can't thank you enough. All right, y'all know I hit 4,000 subscribers, and I'm well over 4,000 now. So it's time for me to do a giveaway. And I do it how I always do it. I don't never tell you in the description that I'm doing a giveaway, because I want my true blue subscribers that always comment to have choice. So here you go, guys. It don't matter what country you live in, whatever. Enter. As long as you As long as you comment on this video, you don't even have to say thank you for the subs or the congratulations or anything. Just comment. Just comment anything. Put a smiley face, a thumbs up, thumbs down. It don't matter. As long as you are subscribed to me, and I know I can go back and look at my subscriptions and find out. But as long as you're subscribed to me, you're in it. This is what you get, guys. This is a well sought after kit. It's a 3-in-1 kit. Still sealed. I have like 12 of these. You take this one, I have 11 left. But there you go, guys. It's the, before this was ever reissued, guys, this kit, I mean, I ain't lying. This kit was going mint. I've seen it go up almost up to $1,000 before years ago. Now this thing has been reissued. It can be yours. So, man, it's got a trailer. It's got a Galaxy. And it's got a Falcon. One of my first cars growing up was a Falcon. And mine was a 64. That one there's a 65. But still, it's the same car. Just a little different trim down the side. But, and of course, this one's altered wheelbase. And mine wasn't. And this one's awesome. And mine wasn't. But, hey, it run and got me to school. But this can be yours. Just comment, guys. Just comment. Hey, and do me a favor. Don't even say, hey, congratulations on the subs. That just throws people in there and they know to say something. So don't even do that. Don't say nothing. Just comment on the video like you always do. And you're in. All right, guys. Love you. Everybody I talked about will be in the description below. Go check them out. And bye.